to go over is technically infinity is not, a given number, but it is kind of like the value it's approaching is going to be like an area. So let's think about it. So the limit as x approaches infinity of f of x. So here's our function f of x. So basically what we're saying is as x gets more and more positive. So like this coordinate point, x is negative, y is something, right? And then as we kind of go along, x is still negative, x is still negative, x is still negative, x is negative. X is equal to 0 here, right? And now it gets more positive because it's going along that. So more positive, more positive, more positive, more positive. So as x continues to go more positive, the y value is now approaching infinity. And that's how we would write our end behavior. That's considered the end behavior of that graph, right? Instead of saying as x approaches infinity, f of x approaches infinity, we can write using limit notation. Now let's do it this way. Now as x is going to negative infinity. So here's x is positive, still positive, still positive, still positive, still positive. Oh, x is equal to 0. Oh, now x is negative, more negative, more negative, more negative. And as I continue going more and more negative to negative infinity, the y values approach negative infinity. Okay? Now, let's go and take a look at the value of the function at 3. So again, the value of the function is the output value, right? So if you look at what is f of 3, if you go to 3, f of 3 is a hole. So it's not equal to 0 because there's a hole there. It's equal to where the dot is. And the dot is at 1. So f of 3 is equal to 1. That's where the function is defined. However, if we're talking about the limit, we're not talking about the value. The definition of the limit, as I wrote up there, it's where the graph is approaching. So, and again, it has to approach from the left and from the right. So as we're going from the left and as we're going from the right, what is the value that we are approaching? That we're getting really, really, really close to? No, as we're approaching 3, as x is approaching 3, from the left and from the right, x is approaching 3. What is the y value? 0. Notice how these are not the same, and they don't have to be the same. This is telling you what is the value of the function. This is telling you what is the value that the graph is approaching, okay, from the left and from the right. So when you evaluate a function, you don't need to figure out what the value is from the left and from the right. You just need to figure out the value of the function. But the limit, we need to find the value from the left and from the right. Coffee, huh?